Hi there, students. Rectitude. Okay, rectitude is the quality of being morally correct. Yeah, being able to justify your actions morally. Yeah, it's being upright, it's doing the right thing, the thing that is morally correct. Yeah, so if you act with rectitude, a noun, that says that your actions are justified, yeah, and will be pleasing to the powers that be above. Okay, so rectitude, being morally honest and correct when you in your behavior, particularly collocations with moral rectitude, to act with rectitude. Yeah, his rectitude is very admirable. Yeah, correct behavior. He's very righteous. Yeah, he's has a lot of virtue. He's honorable, a very high level of morality. Yeah, she's a woman of the utmost moral rectitude. Yeah, of principles, of honor. You can trust them. Let's see, this word rectitude, you can also use it in its literal meaning, that it is completely straight. So the rectitude of this road might indicate that it was originally built by the Romans. Okay, the straightness. Yeah, so a straight line is absolute rectitude. The rectitude of the course of this river, the straightness, how straight something is, and you can use it like that as well. But I think that's not very common. I think we use it to behave according to moral principles, to be upright of character. Yeah, rectitude of judgment. Yeah, the rectitude of your motives. Yeah, the rectitude of the politicians' objectives are being called into doubt. Okay, so rectitude. Yeah, you can actually have an adjective, rectitudinous. So he acted rectitudinously, but that's a very, very unusual word. Yeah, so to act with moral rectitude, to do the right thing, to be morally correct. Yeah, to do what you think is right. Yeah, being morally upright and righteous. Decency, justice, equality, goodness, honesty, correctness, righteousness, probity, incorruptibility, scrupulousness. Yeah, okay, so yeah, people of the utmost rectitude are people who you can trust to do the right thing. Yeah, yeah. Would that politicians understood more about moral rectitude. It might be a good thing. Let's see, rectitude. This is quite a formal word. I think I'd give it 6.5 to 7 in formality. Yeah, the rectitude of his actions. I think in an informal conversation I wouldn't use it. Yeah, the morality, the correctness or the straightness of his decision. Yeah, I think maybe in a semi-formal conversation or a semi-formal or formal writing it would work quite nicely. And then as to origin, this comes from through French, rectitude, from Latin, rectus, meaning straight. Okay, so straight, it's the quality of being straight, but then rectitude, conformity to the rules of moral conduct, of virtue, of things like that. So a chivalrous knight should always act with rectitude. rectitude. Yeah, he should act rectitudinously. Wow, that sounds like a posh word. I think rectitudinously I'd probably give an 8.5 or even a 9 in formality too. Okay, so rightness of principle, integrity. Yeah, that's a good word for rectitude, moral integrity. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Rectitude.